Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to today's Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. And that's the bottom line because Ramu said so. Welcome to Diamond Show. It is the 10th episode of the Diamond Show, and today topic is regarding how to place orders through NEFT or RTGS. That is today's topic because our company has taken an evolutionary initiative to make our online payments very convenient for us. As a part of it, so I just want to share how to place orders through NEFT or RTGS. If you have any questions, you can ask after finishing this session. You can ask me directly if you have any questions regarding any NEFT and RTGS. We will start. So once I think we are conducting so many lead viewer programs, how to enroll a distributor and regarding all the virtual world, and so after creating your ID, enrolling your ID. So once if creating, you have to log in your ID. Here I am taking one of our distributors ID as example. So here I am taking one of our distributor examples. So this is our dashboard. This is our home page. So from here you can just directly go to place order. So you can go directly and you can place the order. So most of you know this. So next is so this particular distributor wants 4 IPers. So I have selected 4 IPers. So there is no change in shipping address, so I am not changing anything in the shipping address. Just directly I am going down. So it is having showing that 100 PV, 400 rupees handling charges, and 12,390 is the total amount. So this is what used to happen before 300 weeks. So till last week it is going to happen like this. So there are 3 options. There is NEFT and RTGS, credit or debit card. And there is one more thing is called e-wallet. So we will discuss individually each and everything. And credit or debit card, if you select credit or debit card, the page as usually it goes to directly to pay you money. So once it is going to pay you money, we are having extra transaction charges of 200 rupees. That is what the from 301 week we have the transaction fees 200 rupees. If we select an option called credit or debit card, because once we select this and courier type is by VOTM, and one more thing, here it is not showing by surface. It is not showing by surface. The reason why it is not showing by surface is because the PIN code is not valid. Because after especially this particular distributor is from Andhra Pradesh. So after the separation of both the states, the PIN codes have changed. So the updated PIN codes are available online. You just check the PIN code and you can enter the right PIN code. So the people from especially Andhra and Telangana having this issue. By surface it is not showing because the PIN code is not valid PIN code. So if you are not seeing by surface, you just check your PIN code and you just enter the right PIN code, then the by surface it will show. So by VOTM, so this particular order is placing through VOTM. So there are a lot of people in this LOS. So we are selecting one the VOTM address also. If now we are going to place order, so automatically it is going to pay you money. So once if it is going to pay you money, then whatever section you select, you can select card, net banking, UPI payments, whatever you are selecting now, the transaction fees of 200 rupees will be charged. And why this 200 rupees is getting charged? Because it is not for Indusviva company, it is the charges which we are paying for last 300 weeks to pay you money. From the day one, our Indusviva company is paying the transaction fees of 2% for each transaction to pay you money. So to avoid these charges for the distributor and for the company, for both, so our company coming with the evolution idea of NEFT. So once if you go to this pay you money page, then definitely the 200 rupees for each 100 PV. That is one product 50 rupees transaction fees will get added. So few distributors, they have one confusion. Here also there is UPI payments, like you can choose Google Pay and even wallets are there, Pay, Phone Pay. So many wallets are there. But once if you enter to the pay you money page, then definitely the charges will be there, even if you are paying through Phone Pay or Google Pay or any UPI or even net banking also, you have to pay that 50 rupees extra for each product. But instead this I am cancelling this order because we want to place through NEFT. So that is why I am cancelling this order. So instead of that, same way you can directly go and place order for iPulse. So then payment mode, you are selecting NEFT, NEFT RTGS. You are selecting NEFT RTGS. Then there is one file called choose file. So upload channels is there. Then courier type again by VOTM, distributor ID. So VOTM ID we have selected. So upload challenge. So for uploading a challenge, so you can use any platform. You can use Google Pay, you can use Phone Pay, you can use Paytm, you can use net banking, NEFT option, any option which directly from a person account to company account. From a person account to company account, whichever platforms are there, you can use all those platforms. It is considered as NEFT or RTGS. So whatever transaction which is going from a person account to company account, for example Google Pay, it will be linked to one particular person account. So if you are transferring from Google Pay to company, it is considered as NEFT payment. And if it is even Phone Pay, it is also Phone Pay also linked to a one particular person's bank account. So from a person's bank account to company's bank account, if your amount is transacted, it is considered as NEFT. So here the distributor, they have sent the money through Phone Pay, they have added the company account details and all, they have sent the amount, and here the transaction ID is there, they have taken the screenshot of it. So once you completed your transaction through Google Pay, Paytm or Phone Pay or net banking, anything, you have to take a screenshot of the payment details. So for example, what if you are not able to take the screenshot at the particular time of screenshot, then there is another option. You can take screenshot of the message which the bank sends you. So the bank will send you, your account is debited 12,390 from your account to Indusviva Health Sciences Private Limited account, and the transaction ID is, so they will give the transaction ID number. The bank will send that message. Even if you are missing to take a screenshot of this transaction, you can take a screenshot of that particular message. You can take that screenshot and you can attach the same screenshot to your order. So here upload challans are there. You can choose file. So the file is selected. So you can choose the file size. So you can choose that file. So here the one photo is added. So you can check. Then you can go to just click place order. So the screenshot is updated, and you directly go to the order status, and the order is it is showing as pending. So pending, and before it is cancelled, the cancel is one which we do through pay money, that we cancel. So that is showing cancel, and it is showing pending. So once the company will verify the payment transaction which you send, and after verifying the transaction, they will approve the order. So this is how we do the NEFT or RTGS payment. So you can choose, and so you can just check even your order status report also, you can just check. So once the payment is verified, it will show approved. The payment will be approved. So this is what the NEFT option, and we have the third option, e-wallet option. So there is one more option here. If you check the home page from bottom, there is one page, e-wallet option is there. So e-wallet, you can add money to your e-wallet. Actually, right now this is not 100%. Right now it is not functioning. So after this one, you will get a circular. So you can add money to your e-wallet by transferring money to company. You can send money to company, and you can add money to your e-wallet, or you can give permission to company to deduct income from your week, from the current week income. From the income also you can add to the e-wallet. This option is right now it is not working 100%, but when it is 100% working, it is work under process. So once it is completed, then definitely the company will give the circular to use this e-wallet option also. But the process is, you can add from your commission, you can add from your directly from your bank account, you can send money to company, and you can add balance to this e-wallet. So once if you are adding money to your e-wallet, only you can place orders in your ID only, not your teammates, not your distributors, not for anybody. If you are transferring money to your e-wallet, you can place order for yourself. You want the products, so you can transfer money from your bank to company account, and you can add balance to e-wallet, or you can deduct income from your commission, and you can add the money to your e-wallet. So this is work in progress. So definitely we don't want to use this option. So there are only two options. You can use NEFT or RTGS, and the second option is credit or debit. But if you are using credit or debit option, so whatever way you are doing, so first two options are the better options, NEFT or RTGS or credit or debit. So if you select credit or debit, automatically the transaction fees will added. So be careful with this, and even if you are going through PayUmoney, and if you are paying through Google Pay or PhonePe or Freecharge or Ola Money or Airtel Money, any of the wallets, if you are paying through PayUmoney, then you have to pay the transaction fees. So this is what about our NEFT placing order through NEFT. So I hope you understand it. I hope you understand this. I hope you understand this. So if you have any questions, you just you just send me the message. So you can send the comments. If you have any questions, you can send the comments. So I will answer to your questions. So if once everything is answered, then I will go to next thing. regarding our KYC details. So I hope you understand. If you have any questions, you just comment below. If you are having any questions. Any questions regarding this NEFT? So before you type some questions, I just want to convey one message that 300 weeks, as I told you, 300 weeks our company was paying these charges or these transaction fees of 2% to pay you money for last 300 weeks. Now what our company is planning is we don't want to waste, we don't want to unnecessarily pay that money to pay you money. Even if the distributor is paying the money or the company is paying the money, we don't want to unnecessarily we don't want to give the money to pay you money. That is why the company is coming with this evolutionary idea of paying through NEFT or RTGS. So we have to be a part of this idea, and definitely we have to promote this, and the only way to make this idea successful is to educate each and every distributor who are starting with us. So we have to take that initiative at least for next 2-3 weeks, and we have to educate every distributor regarding this NEFT option. So our company don't want to collect extra charges. Just they want us to change from credit or debit card pay you money option to NEFT option. So that is what our initiative. They don't want to charge anything extra for our distributors. They don't want to collect any extra money. So they want us to get awareness regarding NEFT or RTGS. That is what the company is planning. So I just want to add two more things. One is what we have to do with VOTM. Better you use RTGS option, NEFT option. Don't deposit the cash. If you are depositing the cash in the company account, also it is considered as the transaction fees will be applied for the cash deposits also. So don't deposit in company account also. You just deposit in your account and you do NEFT or RTGS, and the bankers will definitely support you. If you don't have knowledge to how to send NEFT, don't worry, the bankers will support you to do NEFT and RTGS. So each bank have that option, so the bankers also will support you. And so when you are adding the company account to your account, it will take 24 hours maximum, and few banks they are right away, they will add the account, add the beneficiary, and many banks it will take 24 hours to add a beneficiary. So right now you add our Indus Viva company's account to company, company account. So it will take time. So any questions? I am open for questions, because there are a lot of people have so many questions regarding this. They are calling. But right now I am open for questions. So if you have any questions, you can please ask me. So hi everybody. So any questions you have, just checking anybody ask any question. So any questions regarding this? placing the orders through NEFT. If you have any questions, you just ask me. So I am waiting for the questions. So hi everybody, all of you, a big hi for you. Another 2 minutes I can wait for any questions regarding the placing orders through NEFT or RTGS. So VOTM and PCM, you just don't deposit in company's account, because if you deposit for 40 products, each product 50 rupees, that is 2000 rupees, you have to pay extra. So don't deposit. You don't deposit in company account, you just do an RTGS or NEFT. Yes, hi Hemu. Hi, if you transfer through PhonePe, yes, you can transfer through PhonePe, sir. Definitely. And after the transaction, you take screenshot of the transaction and you can upload that screenshot in NEFT or RTGS option. You can upload it. That is what I have already shown in this video. So the upload, so how it is processed. So I already uploaded. Yes, you can transfer through PhonePe to company account, any of the company account, and then you can upload the screenshot. So now it is taking maximally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the 3 days, whatever we are ordering through NEFT and or RTGS option, these 3 days, whatever we do, the same day the orders are getting approved as of now. And in coming days also, the company is going to support this option very well. So we are placed order through PhonePe or Google Pay. Yes sir, you can place orders through PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, Freecharge, whatever wallet option is there, you can place through whatever options the apps are there, you can use all the options. The only condition is it have to transfer from one person bank account to company's bank account. So if you are doing through PhonePe, it is already linked to your bank account, so you can transfer from your bank account to company bank account through PhonePe. Yes, you can do it. You have to take a screenshot and you just go through this video how to place order. I already mentioned how to place the order, so you can place it through, and screenshot will attach to place order. But yeah, it is not getting uploaded before 24 hours. Yes, that challenge is we are facing, but definitely company are coming with the amazing solution for that. They are going to increase the workforce, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days they are going to process it within 24 hours. But Friday, as we know, our 70 to 80% of our orders are coming on Friday, so it is not possible to process within 24 hours on Friday. So the orders will be carried forward to Saturday, and Saturday also it is a half day working, so till 1 o'clock only our office is there. So some orders are will be approved on Monday. So that is why again the company, they are planning with they are coming with so much of workforce. They are going to increase the number of people working in that particular department. So very soon, if not maximum in another 2 weeks, we can get the approval within 24 hours. If not next week, maximum it is going to be 2 weeks. Within 24 hours, we will get the approval of the orders. So any other questions regarding NEFT, placing orders through NEFT, you can just ask them. So any more questions regarding this? So any questions? So if you don't have any questions, then try to maximize your income today, because today is Friday. So don't wait, keep on placing orders through NEFT or RTGS option. So if you are having a PC or VOTM, go for RTGS option. That is a better way. So it will sooner it will get processed. So you can upload the transaction details in the upload challan option. My suggestion, don't go to credit or debit option. If you are going there, then definitely the transaction fees will get applied. So I hope it is the message is conveyed to you all. I hope it is conveyed, and so I would just want to go to the next one. It is uploading KYC, and for that also there is a transaction fee of 5 rupees. And as of now, the charges are not applied. As of week number 301, the charges are not applied for uploading KYC. And very soon it will be announced through the company. Very soon the charges will get applied. So maybe week number 302, or maybe maximum it is 303. So as of now, for last 300 weeks, when we are uploading the KYC and all, so we are our company used to verify all the details. And after 300 weeks, from 301 week, our company, we are going for the third party to upload to verify these KYC details. And one major intention of our company is to give the commission on time without any deductions. That is what the reason why the KYC verification we are going for third party, because now the number of distributors every week enrolling, it is more than the number we normally manually we can verify. So they are going for third party verification, and for that a 5 rupees transaction fees is there. So whenever a new distributor is getting enrolled, they have to pay extra 5 rupees. It won't apply for week number 301. It might apply for 302. So whenever the transaction fees are going to apply, the company will send one more circular. So from that day, we have to pay extra 5 rupees for each first order. Each first order, not second order, not third order. So each first order. So first time when a distributor is placing an order, so if it is for 200 PV in from rest of except Kerala, anywhere else it is around 24,785 rupees. So 5 rupees extra we have to pay for 200 PV. And if it is 100 PV, it is going to be 12,395. So 5 rupees extra we have to pay. And again I am saying it is not going to apply for 301. It is going to start very soon. Some updations are going on back end. So in our software, so that 5 rupees will be the transaction fee will be added. So from that day we have to pay 5 rupees extra. And once the first order of a distributor, so once all his KYC is verified, especially the bank details are verified, then 1 rupee will be credited first to check that it is the right bank details. So 1 rupee of one transaction, a transaction of 1 rupee will be credited into that new distributor account to verify that his bank details are updated. So that is the process. It is going to start very soon, maybe in week number 302, maximum in week number 303. So I hope the two details and transaction details regarding placing orders through NEFT and updating details through updating KYC. So the two are very clear. If you have any further clarifications, so you can just send a comment below. So I am very happy to answer your questions. So if you have any questions, you just comment below, and make sure that this week you are getting your maximum income and the highest income in your Viva career. Ensure that you are getting the highest income in your Viva career. So any further clarifications, you can just comment below. And the best way to get all the clarifications clear is your upline leader. Just if you have any confusions, and if you need any clarifications, you just give a ring to your upline leader, and you sit with him, you discuss about this placing orders through NEFT. So you discuss with him or her, and you start placing your orders. So we have less than 24 hours for today's for week number 301 closing. So ensure this week you are making your highest income through Viva. All the best, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below. And this week is going to be very special. The 301, after 300 weeks, we are the first week, and the next 300 weeks going to definitely be amazing, thrilling. We are going to see our first Royal Black Diamond Ambassador, our first Imperial Black Diamond Ambassador, and our first Crown Black Diamond Ambassador. We are going to witness in next 300 weeks. So I am very excited about next 300 weeks, and I am very excited about the company's new evolutionary ideas which they are coming up. So very excited, and keep supporting this diamond show. So keep supporting it, and so come back for next week diamond show with a different topic. I'm coming back. So thanks for your support. So keep supporting. Any queries regarding placing our orders through NEFT or RTGS, you just comment below. See you guys next week. Bye bye. All the best.
And that's the bottom line, because Ramu said so.